Molten.
It's a pancake one.
Ours wasn't black.
Oh no.
Okay, this is a hyoid bone. This is a sternum. So sternohyoideus muscle. That's why this one is. Okay, so sternohyoideus.
They are getting bad.
And this is a sternothyroideus. Right there. Sternothyroideus. Sternothyroideus is deeper.
Bit shorter.
Okay? Who did that say?
Oh, no.
It looks like it's coming back from Vietnam. Honestly, I cannot believe this.
Oh my God.
All right, so this is a latissimus dorsi.
Used to be.
Okay, this is a trapezius. This is supraspinatus and infraspinatus. Here, you feel it. You feel the spine of his.
Oh, sorry.
I know you want to knife me, but I'm not going to let you. It's a supraspinatus and infraspinatus, and see this? This is the spine of the scapula. The spine of the scapula, right there. You know what? Excuse me. Excuse me. Turn this around. Let me see. Turn it around. Okay, yeah. Bring them over here, please. This will also we could do with a human too at the same time. Okay, here we go. This is the spine of the scapula. All right, supraspinatus and infraspinatus. So that's what it is. It's a teres minor and teres major. This is the rhomboideus major, rhomboideus minor, and this is the levator scapula right there.
Where is that over here?
Okay, now on this one, that's a supraspinatus. Thank you. I do on a cat, you do on a human, okay? Okay, good. Okay. Infraspinatus, very good. Okay, and this is the levator scapula. Okay, and I need a hand to show subscapularis.
Need a hand?
Yeah.
You need the arm.
Yeah, what is the hand?
They're
Tell me one of the hands. This is where is my finger is subscapularis. Okay, show us subscapularis on that one. Thank you. So go over everything that we went over. Go ahead. Subscapularis. Go on that one, a hand.
Oh, okay. Supraspinatus.
Now your finger is for 10 different muscles.
This one.
That's that. That's better. Okay, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and teres major. Okay?
Where's the teres and minor and major in there?
I cannot find it on this one. No,
So that
you
means
got it.
he won't ask you.
Somebody ate it already.
Okay. That means we're not gonna get asked.
Oh, I found another cat. Don't worry.
No, don't find another one.
Okay. And
We're fine with this one.
and this is rhomboideus. Okay, rhomboideus. You don't have to. On the cat, you don't have to say minor or major. Rhomboideus, and this is levator scapula, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, subscapularis.
How about the trapezius? All of that. Okay.
Easiest one.
You should ask that one.
And this is a latissimus dorsi. And if you want it, you can buy it off this one. But it's still a latissimus dorsi.
Deltoid.
Who asked for delta?
Which one is it?
Right there.
Okay.
You know, I shouldn't have spent so much time. I dissected one or two cats. It's pretty good.
Professor, this one's done already.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Thank you. All right. So this is the biceps. It's on the front. Tricep and brachialis.
Okay.
On t'aime que c'était online.
On reconnait là.
It's done on this one.
Okay, this is a, what is it? Sartorius? That's what you, everybody agree or no?
Yes.
So look at the pictures. Don't look at my face. My face doesn't show sartorius.
It's this one is better.
Yeah, it's Sartorius.
Susanna, can I borrow your diagram? The picture which it shows the cat, what they're taking from the cat, is very helpful. So you have to see where it's taken. This one I'm taking from inside of the leg. Sartorius gracilis. Okay? Sartorius gracilis. All right? There you go. Now I remove it. On the sartorius, you have semimembranosus and semitendinosus, and underneath of the sartorius, God bless you and me. Good. And this is the vastus medialis and vastus lateralis. Okay, lateralis, medialis. Here you go, sartorius, okay, underneath is vastus group. Gracilis, you have a semitendinosus and semimembranosus. That's what you have to remember.
Which one is membranous? Are we done?
One time I said. I get checked one time and I said one time. Susie, get the picture. What's your picture? Honestly,
If I moved, I would lose my spot.
oh, so tell somebody to give it to you.
I didn't want them.
Honestly, when you look at the picture and look at the cat or look at the model, you learn much more than without it. Okay.
That's it? Okay.
All right. Somebody wants to go over this? Susan, you want to go over that? Go ahead.
Which one should I
From A to Z, everything.
Okay, this is the tensor fasciolatus.
Again, she put her 10 fingers and 12 muscles. I said, thank you. Tensor fasciolatum. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, this is missing a piece.
No, no, wait a minute. One muscle is missing.
That's a better.
That one has no. Okay, this is the semi-tendinosis, and this is semi-membranosus.
That's right. Okay, one thing that you should remember, this will make it easier, is semi-membranosis, semi-tendinosis is coming attaching to the tibia. So tendinosis, T. So that's why it's easy to remember. Semi-tendinosis, and underneath of that is semi-membranosis. What is this?
Bicep femoris.
Bicep femoris, okay. Go ahead, keep going.
This is the gastrocnemius.
Uh-huh,
This is the soleus,
very good.
both sides. And over. This is the
Anterior
tibialis.
tibial, okay.
Anterior.
All right,
This is vastus lateralis.
no,
This one.
that's right.
Yeah. This one is vastus medialis.
Okay,
This is the no, this one is sartorius. This is rectus.
Femoris.
femoris? No.
Yeah, because it's the femur.
If you put a femoris, I mark you wrong.
Yeah, rectus
Oh,
femoris.
that's better. That's better, rectus femoris. That's
Oh,
right.
and this is gracilis.
You should
Okay.
just give her an A+.
You're done.
Okay, Dr. Daftari, give it.
She shouldn't take the test anymore.
Now on the count.
Oh, man.